not even funny, bitch. The fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Alright, freak nasty.
Yeah, let me hear you. Oh, fuck, that felt good. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Damn. Holy shit. God damn. Do I have like a bump on my nose or something? Come close to the camera. Come close to the camera. That was on me. That was on me. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta let out a fat fart right now. No! Oh! No! Right, let's open it. Bro, these actually... Fuck!
That's disgusting. How old are you?
25.
What the fuck? Yeah.
Sketch, I am so sorry.
No! Dude, you just shot me in the face there!
Yeah, I know, my fault.
Dude, you could...
My fault.
You're like shooting a fucking blow dart there.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
10,000 of you motherfuckers in the chat right now! 10,000! 10,000! Oh, a mask?
Nice try, but not quite it. Time for the final clue. The password is an object, is worn, is not an article.
Oh! You had a crash? You crash? Bye-bye! Don't ever call me out!
Through the screen, absolutely nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. And you call that fake ass police officer, but I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him too. I want him to cast the fucking smoke. Cause who the fuck do you think you are? What the fuck?
She's calling
You
me.
must not know. There you do. Cause I'm gonna beat the fuck. Ooh, let me screenshot that. Wait,
Bro, bro, you supposed to get mad! No, you fucking weird.
Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Oh my god!
Three.
Just a little bit, like I did for you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
For chat. She's honestly not worth getting back with.
Yo, Drink, come here.
What?
Come here.
Oh my god!
Fucker. Fuck you mean, nigga. You farted in your fucking face, nigga. Chat, I gotta tell y'all a secret, bro. Come here.
Lil say a...
I gotta tell y'all a secret, bro. Come close to the mic. Come close to y'all phone, whatever, tablet. I gotta tell y'all a secret. I'm gonna say it very, just come close. Put your ear very close. Y'all ready? Come close. Like, it's dead ass serious. Yeah, it's her dad.
So sad.
I ain't gonna lie.
When was your last relationship?
Hold on, wait. I gotta tell Chad something.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Jesus Christ, that was a demon. Couldn't let that one out in front of her. Whew, shit. Let's give it about 30 seconds, y'all. Let's give it around 30 seconds.
Cock's long. Yo!
Liam Ford donated
Yo,
£1.50 through Super Chat.
Do something!
I ain't no way just do.